this is how to open a combination lock. So you go around the 0 3 times. So you reset it and start over. Okay, once you're at your 0, you turn the thing right to your first number. Then after that, you go past the 0 one last time, and then go straight to your next number. And after that, you just go straight to your next number. You don't have to go past the 0 again. Just go straight to your next number, and then it should click. And if you messed up, just go around 3 more times, and you can try again, and because it resets. Hope that helps.